Welcome to your DeFi terminal. Here's a quick 60-second walkthrough of MC Finance. First, go to MC²Fi and click to explore the app. This is the home page. You'll see top-performing traders and market signals updated in real time. Quickly check the hottest tokens, updated live. To start, connect your wallet. We support Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Binance Wallet, and more. See a token you like? Click the star icon to add it to your favorites. Meet Albert, our built-in AI assistant. You can ask it anything. Let's explore the core features: home, portfolios, tokens, and top 50. Click portfolios to discover strategies from real traders and track overall performance. Now let's explore the top 50 tokens. Sort by market cap, score, or your favorites. To personalize, click your profile icon, add a profile picture and update your crypto persona. Head to notifications in your settings. Turn on price alerts, newsletters, and updates to stay informed. Coming up next in video number 2, we'll walk you through creating and managing your own portfolio. Catch you in the next one.